Welcome to this meditation for channeling anger. Most of us see anger as an awful thing, being out of control, enraged. But what if I told you that anger energizes us? Please close your eyes so that you can really experience this meditation. Take a deep breath in and release the breath. See your anger as information. What is your anger trying to communicate to you? Perhaps your personal boundaries have been violated. Maybe your anger is telling you that someone has disrespected you. Your anger can inspire you to talk to that person in a clear and kind manner. Your anger may tell you to maintain your boundaries. Breathe in deeply. When you get angry, shift your attention to the way your body feels. Perhaps you feel hot or experience tension. Maybe you feel the need to move your body or that your heart is pounding. By getting well acquainted with the physical signs of your anger, you can stop the anger more effectively. There is no need to wait for it to rise to an unmanageable level. Take a deep breath in. When you find yourself angry, get to the root of the problem. What is it that's really making you upset? It could be something small or a bigger issue. It may be very helpful to write down your reasons for your anger. That way, you can figure out why it's happening and get to the root of the problem. Take a deep breath in. When you find yourself getting too angry, it is best to detach from unhelpful thoughts. You can listen to your thoughts without believing them. For example, instead of calling your friend a jerk when they did something wrong, instead you can say, "My mind is telling me that he is a jerk." Distance yourself from these unhelpful thoughts. Breathe in deeply. When you find yourself angry, it is impossible to think rationally. When you're in a rage, it is best to reduce your anger by breathing deeply, stretching, going on a walk, or practicing muscle relaxation. Any activities to help you refocus and counter the tension will help you calm down quickly. Take a deep breath in and when you find yourself feeling angry, express yourself respectfully. Turn your anger into effective communication. Take one last deep breath and open your eyes.